some pretty serious rain last night. Trail's all flooded out. So we're heading out to the local fishing spot. And got some stuff for a late breakfast. Got my coffee, got my chair. It's gonna be a good day. It's about 48, 49 degrees out now. Just blue skies. Birds are going crazy. I don't know if you guys saw the one of my last YouTube shorts. This was the bushcraft little shelter that I found. Really cool. There's like a kids camp like somewhere out that way. I'm assuming they were doing a trip or something and decided to build a shelter. What a beautiful day. Really nice campsite right here. Big hill. It's kind of the only downside is you can't just stand here and fish. You gotta go all the way down that hill and it is steep. The wind is ripping. So just gonna chill out for a little bit. Maybe the wind will settle down. But by the looks of it, I don't think we're catching any fish today. I'm gonna take this lure off and throw a hook and worm on because I've never actually had good luck with lures in this lake or pond. Don't know why. Probably gotta just get out deeper. I'm excited to get the kayak out. That'll be coming soon. Not with this wind though, I can tell you that. So a couple weights on. Try to get out past the wind. All they had at the store was trout worms, but I'm gonna give her hell. They're not dead, but they're barely moving. Maybe they're just a bit cold. I don't know. If it wasn't windy out, today would be the perfect day for fishing. So right over there at that point is where I'd been fishing, but with all the trees and branches and everything, it was really hard to get a good cast with the wind blowing so hard. So I just walked down here. It's a really cool spot too. Little tiny cove right here, little rock peninsula. See what happens. Well, for lunch we have some Quaker banana nut oatmeal, I got some honey and some cinnamon to put on that, and I got some strawberries to throw in there as well. I love this Jetboil. Probably one of the best things I've bought for cooking and camping and stuff. It's awesome. Heats up water so fast. The wind's dying down. That's a plus. We'll let that steep for a little bit and let the oats absorb some water. It's gonna be good. Get some strawberries here. Take the old tops off. Just got some regular old honey. And some cinnamon. Tell me that don't look good, huh? Might have heated it up a little too long. But it is good. Well, no luck with the fish out here, but had a great day. Had some amazing oats for lunch. We're all packed up. Got the rod. Just gonna bushwhack my way out of here and see you at the truck. Well, I don't think I'm taking the shortcut. Lake's a little high. And I have a hole in my boot. If I didn't have a hole in my boot, I'd do it. But guess I gotta walk all the way around this cove here. Oh well, get my steps in. Alright guys, we're back at the truck. It's a fun little trip, little day trip, walking out, having lunch, trying to catch some fish. Didn't work, but yeah, still had a good time. A little tired. The backpack situation I have is terrible, so I'm gonna have to get a new pack for walking, definitely. But other than that, we're good. I had a great day.